Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the reset options, which are again at the very bottom of this list. So let's tap, and as you can see on the first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And here your device will again ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on simply reset settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.